I just don't want to be benched. You know, I don't want to be the towel boy. Like I do want to be on the court and play. So I need to practice and I need to be a good steward. I need to show the coach who's God, like, hey, look, I'm good when you give me the ball. If you really want to be amazing at sales, like actually good, not just good once here and there, like consistently good, selling very much is obviously nonverbal. What does that actually mean? Well, nonverbal is basically a triangle of both how connected you are to yourself, right? Do you know thyself? And then there's connection to the person you're talking to, right? To the prospect. And then there's connection and conviction to the product, the thing that you are offering, that you're selling. And what comes into connection to yourself, a big thing, are your beliefs. Your beliefs are things that you don't even think to question. It is how you view yourself and how you view the world. So if you have a belief, for example, around money, that is going to be hindering you a lot. And so you can maybe know verbally, here's how you overcome a money objection. But if there's something deep in you that's like, man, asking someone to give me $5,000 or $10,000, and if they don't do anything with it, I might kind of feel bad about that because that's a lot of money to me too. And so just understanding money and thinking through things that can help reformulate a good belief about money that's going to help you can really take you a long way with sales. So I want you to just look at this little 5-minute segment. This is me training a few salespeople new to the high ticket selling space, and just walking through a very brief mindset around money. One is an analogy from a friend of mine, Alex, who just can verbalize things in a really great way. And then it kind of flows into an analogy that I like to use a lot to understand money and how this money game works. And hopefully this can be a belief that can help you and serve you so that you can get better at sales and enrolling the right people in your business. We're all playing this game, and life is like a casino. And we're all given chips. And some of us know how to duplicate those chips more while we're playing in the casino. But when you die, you leave the casino. And all those chips go back to the center of the table, and everybody else gets to play with your chips who is still alive. Which is true. Every person who has died, their money gets put back into the system and it circulates in a way. So it's like, it doesn't really matter that much material stuff, but there are eternal things, there are immaterial things that will carry over with us when we die. Again, if you have a biblical worldview, it's like there are things that we're going to do. There's treasures we are building up that we will experience in eternity, and they don't really have anything to do with money. So let's make sure we're focused on immaterial things as a priority above the material things. But there's nothing wrong with getting those material things. We just need to realize when we die, all the material stuff that you possessed is going to get pushed back to the center of the table, and everyone else is going to keep playing. And that's just like helpful for me to remember and understand of like, if I don't end up making $100,000 a month, that's okay. Whatever, I will have fun trying to get there because I enjoy the game and I enjoy business as a game.
It's a game.
Yeah.
We're all playing a game.
Yeah, we're all playing the game. I just don't want to be benched. I don't want to be the towel boy. Like I do want to be on the court and play. So I need to practice and I need to be a good steward. I need to show the coach who's God, like, hey, look, I'm good when you give me the ball. It's like, keep giving me the ball because I'm going to score a lot of points, right? But if I don't score points, then I better go practice more because I'm getting benched. Makes sense?
I know God is pleased with your ability to unpack an analogy and really. No, it's true.
That was amazing. I love how it went into like, and God is the coach. Don't make me the towel boy. I was like, yes, this is powerful. Keep going.